Welcome to Awesome Kid. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about functions as values in JavaScript. The important feature of functions are that they can be defined and invoked. In JavaScript, function are not only syntax but also values, which means they can be assigned to variable, stores in the properties of object, or the elements of array, pass as an argument to a function, and so on. To understand how functions can be JavaScript data as well as JavaScript syntax, we are going to see example of a simple add function. So we are going to have a function and its name is add, and it takes two parameters x and y, and it returns the sum of these two. So this definition creates a new function object and assign it to the variable add. So let's see, we are going to how to the function can be assigned to another variable and it will still work the same way. So we are going to have and we're going to now the a refers to the same function that add does. So we're going to call add 5 and 5, and we're just gonna log it console.log, and now we are going to call it by a and pass in the same values, and we're going to do console.log. They should produce the same result. So both have the same. So the result is 10. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.